Subscribe to my channel Gadgets Go and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Hello everyone, Anubhav here and welcome to a fresh new episode of Gadgets Go. In this episode, we're gonna see the unboxing of Huawei's Honor Play device. So, without wasting much time, let's just get into it. Let's go. So this is the box I have received from Amazon.in. This box contains Honor Play and let's just open it. I have already cut the box, so I will just open it and show you what I get in the box. So here you can see the Honor Play box, which contains the main device. Let's just pull it out like this. It's little, no, let's just pull it out, because this box, so let's put this box aside. Then here is the box of Honor Play. So let's just open the box and see what I get in the box. So we have opened the box and here we can see the Honor Play branding, and here is the AI logo, that is artificial intelligence. Yes, it runs on Kirin 970 chipset. That was really a high-end chipset, but Honor has launched it and introduced it to a mid-range device like Honor Play. So let's just open the device. It should be I have ordered the ultraviolet color, so it is also wrapped in plastic. Let's just open the plastic and see the Honor phone here. Yes, you can see the ultraviolet colored Honor device, but I don't know if the battery is charged still. So let's just boot it up and see whether it has the battery charged or not. If it is not, then I have to put it on charge, then I have to open it. So let's just open it. So here comes the Honor logo, and yes, the Honor animation, and then by the time it booted up, let's see what else we get in the box. So here should be, let's put this aside for a moment and let's see what is in the box. So here is there should be a TPU case in that. So let's just open it and see whether we get the TPU case. So sorry, yes, it can be slided out, and here is the TPU case, I think. Yes, it is the TPU case I have received from Honor Play with my Honor Play device. And let's just put the phone in the case and see how it looks. So this is how it looks. I think it looks very good and very premium. And let's see what else we get in the box. We get a charger, and the rating of the charger is so you can see the rating here: 5 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere. So the charger is obviously it's a quick charger. It also says that Huawei quick charge support, and then we get the USB type C adapter, and I am very happy seeing that it is USB type C. Honor has gone with the type C cable, and with the fast charging technology. I would love to see the if they put a headphone here, but sadly no headphones. Then let's just put this all aside and just come to the device and see. So it's just, I don't know, Let's just go back. So welcome. Obviously English India, get started. Terms of use, I have carefully read and agree to all the above terms. We all know that, we all read this carefully and then just put this like this and then insert SIM card. So we will skip this that step, and so let's see what Wi-Fi. Okay, someone has kept their Wi-Fi open, but we will not join the Wi-Fi and skip all these steps. And okay, I will agree. And then device protection, set a fingerprint ID. Okay, we'll set the fingerprint ID and see. So you can control what the fingerprint does with your phone, and you can answer the call. Touch and hold the fingerprint sensor to answer a call. You can take a photo or video from the camera. Touch and hold the fingerprint sensor to take a photo or video. Stop alarm, when an alarm goes off, touch and hold the fingerprint sensor to stop the alarm. So notification panel, slide down from the notification sensor to display the notification panel. Double touch the trick to clear the panel and slide up to close the panel. Browse photos, when viewing photos in full screen mode, swipe left or right or on the fingerprint sensor to switch to the previous or next photo. So we'll go to next and see. Okay, unlock device, use fingerprint ID or replace password, payment by enroll fingerprint or so unlock phone, use fingerprint to unlock phone at lock screen when screen is off. Access saves, use fingerprint to access the saver. Access app log, use okay, we'll enable all that. And let's just put a hard, very hard. Okay, okay, then we'll no enable, then okay, it is very fast recognizing my finger. And okay, then I will add another. Okay, I will set the face unlock later, and see just here, set the face unlock, enter the, so it is really hard, and I will be okay, continue. So allow, it asks you to enroll enhanced services. So and I will enable all the services and just finish this up and go to the home screen. You can recover your personal data and set your system data. Okay, well, I know all that. Let's just, yes, here is the beautiful Honor phone, and this is the home screen of this Honor device. So I will just take some photos and let you know how. So here says switch camera modes, side left, or to switch camera modes you can also select a mode by touching it. Touch mode to see additional camera features. Okay, GPS tag, okay, we will enable it. Then AI photography brings the color in your photos by intelligently adjusting the camera settings based on the subject. Okay, I'll enable it also. And let's just take a photo. Right, focuses. Okay, then just take the Honor. Okay, it recognizes the text very fast and knows the what in what mode I am taking the photos. And let's just take another photo. And okay, ear lens, here you can get some 3D objects, effects and backgrounds and in our face and do some interesting stuff with this. So more, here is the full-fledged pro mode, slow motion mode, night mode, panorama, light painting, HDR, time lapse, filtered, 3D panorama, watermark, document scan, 3D creator, artist mode, and there can be also some different modes. You have to download it from their store. So let's just go to the home screen and see what version it runs on. So okay, I don't know whether it has an update or not, so we'll just check the version. Go to system, okay, so go to the about phone section and we'll go to the about phone section and see what is the version we get in the box. So here you can see the model is CORAL00 COR-AL00. okay, or we'll skip all this. So the CPU is high silicon Kirin 970 processor, RAM is 4 GB, the phone storage is 64 GB, and out of that we just get 51.83 GB. Screen is obviously full HD plus, and the security patch level is 1st June 2018. And what about the Android version? The Android version is Android 8.1 Oreo, and the EMUI version is 8.2.0. So that's all for now. You get this beautiful phone at such a competitive price range with a good processor, and this phone really looks very awesome and looks sturdy. So I'll show you how it looks. Just okay, check the fingerprint. Have to enter the okay. I start. This is the so it opens really quick. I just touched the fingerprint and it opened. Okay, just touch, opened. I just touched and it opened very quick. So that is the device, Honor Play, and I think it is a very good device at the mid range, and I will post the camera samples later, and I will post a detailed review of this device later. So stay subscribed to my channel, and so here we get all the box contents. Just put this up and this. Okay, these are all the box contents we get in the Honor Play. So So you just saw the unboxing of Huawei's Honor Play device. Let me know in the comment sections below how you like this device, and also let me know how you feel about this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. That's it for now. Stay technically updated on the go with your own channel, Gadgets Go.